Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Insha'Allah ta'ala, in today's session, we will learn the two letters, Khaa and Ghayn. They both are throat letters and articulated from the top part of the throat. Both these letters have the same articulation point. Now, to identify the exact area of articulating these letters, think of the time when you are gargling the salt water or mouthwash. And at the same time, place your two fingers at the top part of the throat. You will feel the movement under your fingers. This area is precisely the articulation point of these letters. Let's start these letters now. Ghayn or Khaa, they are heavy letters. You rely on your jaw movement downwards. Try again. Khaa and then Ghayn or Gha. With the heavy letters, back of the tongue is slightly raised, and it will be difficult to imagine how deepest part of the tongue is raised. For that, say the sound O while dropping the lower jaw. Now try again with these letters. Kha and then Gha. And other tip to make the sound heavy is to move the sound upwards. Then you only imagine, you can't physically feel the sound in your head, and then you try it again. Kha. This will bring the heavy effect as well. Let's compare the sounds now with the letter which is not heavy, like Ba and then Kha, Gha. These are also the whisper letters when the sound gets dragged and the air comes out of the mouth. Let's practice these sounds with the harakas. First, we start with the Fatha, Gha, and in a word, Ghayru. The letter Kha and Khalidun. When you read these letters, be careful with the Fatha haraka especially, not to make your mouth or lips shape round. Round shape we only apply with reading the Damma. Okay, coming back to the harakas, the Kasra sound, Akhiri, Khi, Ghislin, Ghi. Now here, the sound of the letters, it's very thin and light. With the Damma, the letter Kha sound is Khu, Khusrin, Ghu, Ghururin. And lastly, the second sound. Yakhda'una, Maghdubi, Yakh, Magh. Drag the sound here to avoid bouncing or the kalkala on these letters when sakin, the whisper characteristic. And this is the end of today's session. Jazakumullahu khairan.